Oh, snake? Can't tell yet. No, it's a walleye. Oh, nice one. Cha-ching. Measure them. I was saying, we're marking them. 19. What? 19? Yeah, nice. 19 incher. 19. In the box. You gotta thread the one with the threads that are in there. Oh man.
Yeah, we got a nice double here.
Calm down. Nice, Steve. Double headers. Ow. Oh, what?
You gotta be kidding me.
Broke your line. Ooh, it might be over 26. If it is, we can keep it. Hopefully that's the one we want anyway. Bigger one.
Nice.
Go back. He's almost 29. That's a keeper. We're gonna eat him. Throw him in that box, bro.
When we were at the river, when we went to that Wolf River, there was a pontoon boat, 300 pounds. Really? A pontoon boat. I'm like, the sun is just coming up over the trees. We're out early. Got a nice chop today. Some white caps out there, but a jig for some walleye.
Oh, Steve, that's a nice one. Oh, that's amazing. Looks like a good one. Oh, that's a northern. I don't know. The last couple pulls there tend to think it's a northern, but I don't know.
I think it's going straight down.
When it's going down, it could be a walleye, folks.
I think so.
Could this be a good walleye? I don't know. That could. No. A snaker. 30. Decent one, though. I think he's over 26. 25? Yeah. Gotta throw him back. Sun coming up again over there. Really rough this morning again. We're just going to troll all the way over to where we're gonna go do a little jigging. Maybe we'll hook up with something. Got old Steve trolling here. Hey, check it out. We're trolling over to where we're gonna go jigging and we got a nice walleye. Maybe it's true. Time to rethink the strategy here. Yeah, nice fish. That's what I'm talking about them Leech Lake walleye. Let's just keep trolling that. Hope it's a walleye, Frank.
I do too.
I think. No, it's a fucking.
Right?
Yeah, it's a snake. Son of a bitch.
Check that out, Dickie.
What?
Check that out. Oh, nice perch. Nice perch.
Oh!
Nice perch.
12, easy. Maybe over. Measure them. 11 and a half or 11. Oh, we had a few like that. Shit, big. Steve's got some here. Huh?
Fish, you can see it. Back this up a little bit.
Pull him in. It's a fish. That ain't no fish. You got 8-pound test. You should be able to pull that fucker right in. Fucking perch. Nice one though.
Oh, here's a nice hook up right here.
That's why I was pulling drag. You got
Yeah.
caught in the lead.
But it's a big perch.
Dude, get that camera. Oh. You gotta be kidding me. He took it like a ton of
That's a
perch.
big perch.
A quarter, 11, or no, 11 and a half.
Just about 12.
11 3/4.
Throw them in.
Nice.
Little by little.
Yeah.
Alright, we're heading out today again. Still gonna be windy, but see what we could do.
Crap again.
Crappie?
Yeah.
What?
Crap.
Yeah, holy shit! Dude!
Nice. That's a crappie?
Fuck, that's the kind of crappie I'm talking about, Steve. Now you switching me right here.
Look at that fuck. Look at that.
Whoa, look at that crappie. That's a Leech Lake crappie, folks. A bluegill, oh, a sunfish.
What size is this one?
Yeah, it's a nice one. Throw them in the box. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Yeah. Walleye. Okay. Frankie just got a nice walleye.
Look at that fuck. That's a torpedo.
We're gonna run right back out again.
He's like, dang, it's rough.
What is he?
20 and a half.
20 and a half into the fucking box.
Goes back.
Oh yeah. Keep one over 20. I got it.
Nice one.
Frankie's walleye. Look at that.
It's a beauty, Frank. Thanks for the prayers, Zig. No problem, brother. Anytime. Oh, yeah. I'll come over.
Frankie got another one. 7 feet. take over driving. I'm gonna sit back here.
Another walleye?
Yeah, awesome. Good one too. Good eat. 17.
Oh, nice. 17 about a half.
Excellent. Nice, man. Put them close to the. Look at that pumpkin seed, man. Sunfish. Nice.
Nice free.
Frankie's on fire. Nice jumbo. Right at the weeds. It's a good perch. Yeah, let me label each live on Frankie's side and Anthony's side. Frankie again. Another walleye on. You're no, take him back here. It's too late now. Yeah, take him back. Another one for Frankie, 3 in a row.
15 and a half.
15 and a half. That's a good eater. Waxel.
Hey man, oh, it's a little walleye. Nice.
Oh, another walleye?
Another walleye?
Yeah, like a 13 incher. Measure them. We're going to keep them anyway. We need 16 walleye, so bag.
Yeah, 13.
Throw them in a box.
Another walleye?
No. Just the northern. I don't know. Could be. Yeah, I bet it is. Right now you can tell. Wow, whatever it is, it's big. That's a walleye. Woo! Hey, you got my line too.
It's a nice one here, man.
You can put them on the board. Here.
Nice one.
Yeah. We're on them now, folks, over here on Leech Lake. Finally, after what, 4 days? Now today we found some. We got 6 nice walleye. Very nice. Look at the crappie, almost 14 inches on the crappie. Some not just a few jumbos, but and a few sunfish to boot. Get in there, Anthony. Anthony and Frankie caught them all, basically. The front of the boat and the back of the boat.